We're going to talk about traction. Now, traction of an acute disc is so important. So what you want to do, you want to literally separate that disc. And what that does, if a disc is compressed, it can put pressure on those nerves. So by opening up or distracting it, now we have a number of traction tables that will do that really well. But let's say you're alone at home, in the office, you're driving, and you have that intense pain, and you want to open up those joints to take the pressure off. I'm going to show you how to do it now. So now have a seat in a chair. Now this is a standard office chair with arms. Now you're going to place that foam piece, the bottom of the elbow is the bottom of the roll, just about the same spot, but scoot your butt way back far in the chair so it's really tight. So it's going to be up just a tad higher, about an inch higher. Now, what you want to do, put your arms here, and you're going to push up. We don't want to lift the butt completely off of the seat, okay? Just to distract it. So push down, and you're going to see he's lifting up just a bit. And that distraction, along with this force loading, it's going to open up those joints, but also knowing that that disc is maybe reversed, where it should be narrow on the back, wide at the front. This pressure here, putting pressure in that direction, creates a negative pressure on the front, moving the disc material from the nerve is out to the front where it's safe, where it's supposed to be. Plus the distractive force, when he's pushing down, go ahead, push down, and he's just lifting up. So he's got the pressure here and the pressure there. Now what this looks like in the front, push down. So he's not lifting, he's lifting his butt off of the table just a tiny bit. Because once you get that distractive force, it's going to feel amazingly well. Now let's say you don't have a chair with arms, you don't have an office chair. What can you do? Stand up, sir. We have the poor man's traction here. Have a seat. Put two chairs back. This back in here. Put your arms up. And then push down. Oh my gosh, look at that. It seems kind of like one of those commercials. And only for $19.95 you can use chairs like this. No, do what works. You just want to decompress that. If you have a bar up here, you can lift up. But as long as you've got minimal force loading, and we're talking about 80% of the pressure is here, 20% is going in the posterior to anterior direction. This will reposition and take the pressure off of that disc.